If you are wondering what is the recommended charger for POCO F8 Pro, then let me quickly explain and try to help you get the perfect charger for you. So in the case of POCO F8 Pro, we have 100 watts wired connection. It supports PD 3.0 and QC3+. So ideally you are looking for a power adapter or charger that has 100 watts with these technologies with PD 3.0 and QC3+, but also we have 100 watts PPS charging as well. So you can probably get the original Xiaomi or POCO charger if you can find one that has 100 watts or more. Of course, 100 watts is the maximum that we get over here, so even if you have a charger or power adapter that has more than that, then of course it is still fine, it will still work, but it won't be any faster than a charger that has 100 watts. And in addition to that, what you might need to keep in mind is that the original cable that we have inside the box is USB-A to USB-C, so you also need to get a charger or power adapter that has USB-A if you want to use the original cable. If you have a custom USB-C to USB-C cable, then of course you can use a power adapter that has USB-C port as well. And you don't really need to purchase the original Xiaomi charger or POCO charger if you don't want to purchase that specific one. If you want to get any other brand, it should still work just fine too. You might just want to find out if the charger has PD 3.0 or QC3+ or PPS. If not, then the charging speed might be slower than that. And that's pretty much it. So ideally, once again, you're looking for the Xiaomi or POCO charger that has 100 watts, but you can also use any other power adapter that also has all these technologies and that I mentioned. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.